Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest Dream Bubble from NPC Bailey J in Heartopia. So, to complete the quest, first you just need to go and talk to Bailey J and then accept the quest. And then after that, you will be asked to visit the central square. Art Street, this area, and this area, more precisely at this piano square like this. And then once you're at this piano square, your next objective is to find the dream bubble. And in here, there's a small trick. The dream bubble won't appear right away. In here, you need to interact with the piano, this piano, and then just play it. And in here, you don't have to play a real song, just play randomly key on here like this, and just like that a dream bubble will appear above your piano, like usually over here. The bubble will appear on here, and then next just simply pop it and the quest will be complete. In here, unfortunately, I can't show this step and dream bubble clearly because I already finished this quest on my account before, so the quest and the bubble no longer appears for me. But if you're doing this quest for the first time, it should spawn right above the piano. The way to complete this quest is just like that, just like my explanations before, and the bubble will spawn right above the piano after you play it like that. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.